Welcome to Temitope's Fab Eats. In this video, I want to share with you how to make healthy carrot juice without a juicer. Do you know you can actually make juice even if you don't have a juicer? Yes, you can. So here I am scraping the carrots. So take your time to scrape the carrots very well because you want to remove all that outer skin from the carrots. Now, if the carrots are looking very clean, they don't have any dirt around it, that you can leave it that way. But these carrots had been in my fridge for quite some time, and I just needed to just remove all the skin, the outer skin from the carrots, so that when I get my juice out, it is really bright and clean carrot juice. So that's what I'm doing here. I am scraping the skin out from the carrots. So just take your time and make sure you scrape the skin from the carrots. Take your time. Now the next step is to rinse your carrots with clean water. Then it's time to blend using a blender. Make sure you cut the carrots up into little bits so that it will be easier for your blender to blend the carrots. And add some clean drinking water into the blender. Now this is when you get to blend the carrots. So make sure the blender blends the carrots very well, because you really want to get the juice out of the carrots. And then you pour into a bowl. And then there you have it. I am going ahead to blend the rest of the carrots there. Add some clean drinking water. And then blend again. Then pour the rest into the bowl as well. It's now time to strain. So get a strainer and strain out the pulp from the juice. I'm using a spoon there to press out the juice from the pulp. So just gently squeeze it out using a spoon, press it into the pulp so that the carrot juice can come out from the strainer. Just keep on pressing it out. Because you want to extract all the juice, the carrot juice from the pulp. And there you have it, the carrot pulp and the carrot juice has been extracted. That is the beautiful bright orange carrot juice. Very healthy. Now it's time to go ahead and pour it into a bottle. So I'm pouring into a glass bottle that I recycled. You can see that beautiful juice coming out. Carrot juice is one of my favorite juices to make, and it's very healthy too. It contains a lot of beta carotene, which is very good for the skin. Yes, that's it. Very nice and very, very delicious, very tasty. You can add sugar to yours if you like. I didn't add sugar to mine because I'm trying to cut down on sugar, so I just have mine like that. I have some ice in my glass. And there we have it, very healthy carrot juice. That's it. Enjoy. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you like this video. Thank you for watching.